With just a couple of hours before registration closes on the virtual retreat, return to center, reconnect, restore, and rise. We want to make sure that if you're still sitting on the fence, you're not really sure if this is something you need right now that you can invest in, or you're not sure how it's going to be or how you need to show up for this, then we want to be able to address those. So you can put them in the comments, put them in the chat, or maybe we'd even address them now. We know that this is a really good time for you if you're feeling a bit lost, like you kind of lost your sense of purpose, lost your sense of self, become kind of
Disconnected.
disillusioned about your path, that you just want to be able to reconnect with that, kind of plug back into your visionary powers, your superpowers, and open your gifts, be open to receive them, and just create some space and spaciousness in your
Yeah.
life to be able to rest, to
Mm.
restore, to revitalize, and then rise, right? That whole rebirth process that comes out when you emerge into the darkness and back into the light. So we're going to cradle you through that. And Tiffany, what do you think are the people that are showing up? What are you noticing that people have signed up so far, what they're into, or kind of the questions that they're wondering about? Not so sure
Yeah,
yet.
it's people that are feeling lost and disconnected, or maybe you're feeling more grounded. Maybe you're on, a good road to your into your healing journey, and you're just looking for some deepening or some more clarity, or just really wanting to know how to really craft more into your power and creativity. This is a perfect place to dive in and really get embodied and keep diving into that endless well of infinite possibilities of the energy that you are. That's what created you. So if you're looking to take your healing journey further and you're already on one, this would be an amazing place to come and reconnect, like Jennifer said, and restore and rise into more of the amazing, powerful being that you are. And then if you are just on a journey of expansion and rising already, we just want like-hearted souls to come into this group and add to the energy, right? We're looking for light leaders and healers and people who really came to make a difference and a shift. And we all know that that change starts with us. So the more we can replenish and revitalize and renew our own souls, we're just sharing that gift with the world without even trying. So we really want to welcome those in that are really already feeling like they're in their rise and they're feeling very expanded and they're excited. We need you here too, so that you can help bring in a collective energy and we can hold a really safe, nurturing, embodied space for those who are wanting to rise with us.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So check out the link below. We even have some special bonuses, especially if you're staying to the end of the retreat. This isn't a one and done. We're going to be giving you take home practices. So you'll be getting a little guide around that too, and get to just experience this together with like-hearted, like-minded, like-souled individuals as a group, creating this amazing energy. I can't wait. Make sure you check the
I'm
link
so
below because
excited.
registration is closing in a couple of hours. So
Yes,
we'll see you
tonight.
soon.
Yes, bye.
Bye.